Hello guys, welcome in another part of Microsoft Word features. Today we will go through pictures, how to insert them and manipulate with them. First, select Insert in your menu. Then, we will insert our picture from our PC or online. First we insert picture from our computer. Click Pictures, select your picture in your PC and click Insert. As you can see, my picture was inserted at the place where my cursor have been before. Now I set my cursor here and I want to set my new picture here. So click Online Pictures, click for example Apple, and click the picture you want to insert from online. As you can see, my new picture was inserted at the position of my cursor. Now we have to style our picture. First, we want to, for example, resize this picture. We can do it through the points on the border. When you click on the point, you can drag your mouse and resizing slowly your picture, for example, to this size. And we'll also want to resize our width of the picture this way. There is also another way. If you want to select the precise sizes, for example 18 centimeters, you can click on Size Layout and change the size of the picture, let's say to 15. As you can see, my ratio of the height and width was changed also. Since height and width is connected, the ratio of the picture is always the same. You want to change the ratio, you can go through points always. So when I make my picture smaller, my other pictures can go to the same layout. Let's make this picture this big. And now I want just upper part of the picture. So I will click Crop and select the part I want to see. Just this part. Now when I click, as you can see, my picture was cropped just for the upper part and was resized to appropriate size. Now let's manipulate with this picture a little and see what else I can do. You probably want to see how to change the border of your picture and maybe how to work with text and your picture. So first we will go through changing the border. You can change it through picture styles. As you can see, when I go through my picture styles, the picture is slowly changing. I will select this picture style to see the border, or maybe more like this. Picture style looks like this, and I want to change also the color of the border. Let's change it to orange. As you can see, my border color was changed to orange now. To select all the picture styles, you click on this button and you can see all picture styles you can select from. So now let's stay with this style. Now, how you can wrap your text around your picture. Click on Wrap Text in the Arrange. As you can see, now I have select option in line with text. But I want to have my text at the side of my picture. So I can click, for example, Square. Square, selecting my text at the side. Manipulate my picture and my text is from both sides. That's how the square works. It's also tight. It is very similar to square or through. You can make text go through, but it mostly works the same, as you can see. Very important option is also like behind text. As you can see, when I select behind text, my text is above the picture and I almost cannot see it because picture is very colorful. So I want to, for example, bring picture forward. And when I do it, picture should be in the front. when you have other shapes around, you can see the change. But for the text, to make it seen, you can change, for example, transparency of the picture. To change the transparency, you have these options. For example, I want almost white transparency. This transparency is 80%, 65% should be okay. And as you can see, my text is now very much visible. To make it different, I can also change artistic of the picture. So let's set the transparency back, say at least 15% just, and change the artistic view, if that couldn't help us. As you can see, artistic view can change the color and contrast of the picture, also the picture sharpness. For example, you can see that pictures like blur in this way, like it was below the water. But I will go back to original. Can also change the color of the picture to be text be more seen without the changing transparency. For example, when I select this gray background, the text is pretty much seen above very well. And I can also change some correction to make it more bright. My picture is even better to see. But I want the original color, and let's make it this bright. Okay, so you can see how you can manipulate with the pictures, its transparency. Now how you can rotate the picture. To rotate the picture, you can either click for rotate and rotate it vertically to 9 degrees, rotate it to left or right for 9 degrees, flip vertically or horizontally. As you can see, when I flip vertically, my picture was changed from top to bottom and horizontally from left to right. So let's flip it vertically, and my picture is changed from top to bottom. Now you can also set the alternative text. Alternative text is as a description of your picture. It will be, say, apples. It's decorative. And pretty much the description. Maybe for description is better here. Anyway, the picture description should be shown when some hover it in the reading mode, something like that. So I think we go through everything in here. Maybe the position of the picture in text. As you can see, it's behind the top, normal in line as it's usual, or at the bottom. Square text wrapping and a lot more. That should be everything, guys. Maybe just this one. You can also remove background to make it transparent. It's very useful. But I don't want to, so you can decide how you want to do it. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I think we will see in the next video. Bye.